fix YouTube error. This video is unavailable. Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about how you can fix your YouTube error which has been shown this video is unavailable. So if you are encountering the problem this video is unavailable error on your YouTube, here are some steps you can take to resolve this issue. First of all, you have to check the video availability. Just go for your YouTube and launch your YouTube here. So let's take an example here. So let's take an example. If you have opened this YouTube video here, so if this show the video isn't if this show that video isn't unavailable, the video may be removed or set to the private by the uploader. You can try searching for it directly or checking other platform too. Also, sometimes you can refresh your page. Just go and completely close your YouTube and open up your YouTube and go and search that video again. If you are using your mobile device, you can ensure that your internet connection is stable. Try switching between your Wi-Fi to mobile data. So if you are using your YouTube on your mobile devices, go along, press on your YouTube, go for the eye icon. Once you are on your eye icon or app info, just go for the clear cache of your YouTube, which can also solve the minor glitches which has been affecting the YouTube. Also, you can go back and you can update the YouTube app. Make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube app available on your device. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and check for the update. Just go for your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the YouTube here. Once you have searched for the YouTube, if there is any update available, then you have to just tap on the update option and download it on your device. Also, you have to make sure that if you are using the VPN or proxy device, then you have to disable it. Some videos may be restricted in certain region. So if none of these steps work, you can directly report to the YouTube through their support channels. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can fix your YouTube error. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.